In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Trello cards, even though Trello doesn't have a direct feature for merging. This process will help you consolidate information from multiple cards into a single card effectively. Let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, head over to the Trello website. Of course, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to select your preferred method of logging into your Trello account. You might typically see options such as logging in via email, Google, or another service you've linked to your account. Choose the option that works best for you to gain access to your boards. Once you're in, navigate to the Trello board that contains the cards you're looking to merge. If you have a lot of boards, use the search function or scroll through your list until you find the one you need. Now, let's identify the cards that need merging. You'll also need to decide which one of these cards will serve as the primary card. The primary card is where all the consolidated information will reside, so choose the card that makes the most sense for this purpose. Think about which card is already the most comprehensive or relevant to your task. Next, open this primary card. You'll begin manually transferring data from the other cards into this one. This could include text, checklists, attachments, and any other details you have in those cards. It's helpful to be organized as you do this. Perhaps start with text, then move to files and other attachments. You can simply copy and paste text from one card to another, and Trello's interface makes it quite intuitive to attach files too. Once you've copied the necessary content, you'll want to use Trello's Attach feature. This is a handy way to link the original cards to your primary card. By doing this, you ensure a clear connection between the original sources of the information and your new consolidated card. It's a useful step to keep a thorough record of where your data originated, which can be revisited whenever necessary. Finally, to wrap things up, it's important to tidy up your board after merging the cards. Archive or delete the cards that have been merged into the primary card and are no longer needed. Archiving is a safe choice if you think you might need to reference these cards in the future. Deletion, on the other hand, is suitable if you're sure the information is no longer needed. Whichever option you choose, this will help prevent any confusion among team members who might wonder why multiple redundant cards are present.